Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today our topic is some hazard of electrostatics. So there are today our learning outcomes is describe situation in which electrostatic charging may be dangerous. Lightning. Lightning is an atmospheric discharge of electrostatic charge that typically occurs during thunderstorm. Lightning can carry electric current of up to 30,000 amps. This large current can be dangerous, as electrostatic charges are discharged to the nearest or sharpest object on the ground. This is why buildings have lightning conductor installed, and people should not swim in the open sea, play in the open field, or hide under trees during thunderstorm. This figure shows lightning forms and how lightning conductor work. There is a step 1. A thundercloud becomes electrically charged due to friction between water molecules in the thundercloud and air molecules in the atmosphere. There is a negative charge stand together at the bottom cloud. There is a bottom cloud, create a negative charge. For this reason, upper side of the cloud gains positive charge. It's happened for the friction of these air molecules and water molecules. For this reason, there is a upper side is gains positive charge, lower side gains negative charge. This negatively charged underside of the cloud repels the electron near the surface of the earth. The surface of the earth becomes positively charged. This is the tall building is positively charged, gains positively charged. When the accumulation of the charge is large enough, it can ionize the air particles nearby. The ionized air particles provide a conducting path for an electron in the cloud to the earth. Electrons that follow this discharge path to the earth from the lightning. Step 4, there's the lightning tends to strike tall or isolated structure. Thus, lightning conductors protect tall building by providing a conducting path for electron in the air to the flow from the top of the tall building to the earth. This prevents, this is the earth, is a positive side, is a connected the earth. This prevents lightning from damaging tall buildings. Electrons come from the earth to the air molecules discharging. So for this reason, there is happened a lightning. So lightning is very dangerous for a human. For this reason, when it happened, people should not swim in the open sea, play in the open field, or hide under trees during thunderstorm. Is very dangerous for human. Electrostatic discharge. Electrostatic electric charge can accumulate on tracks due to friction between the road, this is the road, and the rotating tire. is rotating tire of the truck. When a sudden discharge occurs, it may cause a spark and ignite flammable items that the truck may be carrying. To prevent this, some older petrol tankers have a metal chain. There is a metal chain at the rear of the vehicle. This chain hangs close to the ground and provides an earthing path for excess charge. Excess charge on a petrol tanker flow to the ground through a metal chain. Nowadays, instead of metal chains, most petrol tankers use synthetic rubber tires that contain carbon to aid electric discharge. There is another. Electric discharge can also damage electronic equipment such as a circuit board and hard drive. To protect this equipment, they are usually packed. This is the packed. There is a inside electronic circuit, electronic equipment packed by a antiseptic packaging, and the static material have a thin layer of metallized film which act as an electrostatic shell for the equipment placed inside. So this is another example of this electrostatic discharge. So thank you for this for with us, and subscribe YouTube channel.